Hey guys, today I'm gonna be trolling as Thomas the Train in this Life in Paradise game. And right now I'm Flamingo Woody. Maybe another video will be trolling as Flamingo Woody. Just to let you know, this is recorded before my 100th video was posted. Soon I will get my 100th video. I'll just be a celebration of my 100th. My 100th video. And this is what I'm gonna be playing for my 100th video. Okay, not really. Okay, not really, but I was like, I don't know. Still upload the Mars, but maybe this is part of the 100th video. Because at the time I haven't decided it should be my 100th video. Just to let you know, I'm uploading old videos because some videos that I still haven't uploaded yet are still going to be. Wait a second, I just realized randomly. I gotta check. Okay, never mind. I think yeah. It's hoop. Okay, so now I'm gonna be going back. Alright, and I'm back. I'm gonna be drawing random people. I wish I had this on footage, but this random girl just thought I was Flamingo. But no, I'm not Flamingo, guys. I don't even sound like Flamingo. Oh my goodness. Oh, bruh. This guy is admin. Bruh. No. Is he gonna get me? Bruh. Please. Please, can I get up? Ow. Bruh. That was the turn. No. Don't miss. I wish I had admin in this game, but I realized the admin commands only work for you on the I once almost saved all my Robux, but there he is. My ear. This guy's like, my ears. What? Yeah, I'm okay. Since I'm playing the emergency broadcast in Canada. And someone said, ow, my ear. Sorry, my mom's listening. Bro, I'm stuck. I'm riding inside of Thomas the train. Red Thomas. Oh. far away because it's all annoying to all of you. Bruh. Bruh, 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 bruh. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Is he trying to get me? Yay! Yay! I also have a video of me saying 50 subscribers already, 40 subscribers, one of those videos. But yeah. Live for these. I said that because it's fun. No, no! Thomas the Train's been defeated. Oh, what the? I glitched it. This gives a hint that I'm gonna be making my own EAS scenario, but I just don't know when I'm gonna be releasing it. No, 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 no! He's like, I wish I was invisible. It's coming. Sometimes I'm okay. You know what? Let me just. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. So usually I'm scared to buy like a Roblox Game Pass because what if the game gets deleted, but then somehow there's all my Robux down the drain, or the game gets brought back, but they turn the Game Pass into something else. What if they turn it into a fighting game? Or you know what? I'm gonna keep doing this. Oh, is it still there? Did I move the seat over? All the gears. I got all the gears. I got all the gears. I wish sometimes people are just like, I got all. Oh yeah, but then you get the seat here. Let's see if I can move it. Bruh. Bruh. Wish I had those luxury cards, of course. But I said spend my Robux on my boot, bro. You know what? Let's not play that anymore. I want to play something real. Bruh. The Roblox broken? What happened to the... Maybe I should bring that one. Okay, that's. Oh my goodness.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for east central Wabash County, Indiana, west central Huntington County in northeastern Indiana until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and
Oh, you know,
extremely
an
dangerous
emergency
tornado
broadcast
is located
recently
near
played
Andrews,
at this
Oregon,
time.
8 miles east of Wabash, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah! Yeah! Dong, dong,
To those
dong.
caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Andrews around 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Huntington around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Is this
Repeat,
playing?
alarm. The National Weather Service in.
Okay, yeah, let's stop that. So maybe this is gonna be it for my 100 video special. But this is gonna be it. So goodbye, guys. This will be my 100 video special. But first, I'm gonna try to see if I can get how much better this. Why is there a car? I do wait because Kind Master is my best editing program that I use, but it's not on mobile. PC. So please, something. Oh, and I could be fine. And please, show support for Thomas the Train and Flamingo Woody.